A triumphant moment as the historic SS La France Fire is secured for transport. The recovery effort was years in the making.
Secure the forward straps now. Tightening the main brace. Watch the hull pressure. Easy does it. Needs to come left slightly. Copy that. Shifting left. Lower away. The pinning on this beam is extensive. We're looking at severe structural damage here. Confirmed. It won't hold under pressure. Mark it for replacement. All right, pull it up slowly. Watch the left side. It's catching. Clear up top. All right, hold it steady right there. Yeah. Watch the clearance on the left side. Bring it up slow. All right, slowly take the slack out. Slack is out. Weight coming up now. Hold steady. Start to lift. Easy now. Watch the stern. Clear on this side. Steady. Pass me the caliper once you're done with that flange. Here you go. Are these ready for the tank? Sure. Just need one more pass with the brush. This fracture extends deeper than we initially thought.
We'll need to bevel and re-weld this entire section before assembly.
All right, push it up another 2 millimeters on your side. Holding steady here. Is that straight now? Check the alignment on frame 16. It's coming up slowly. We need another millimeter on the starboard side. Hold it steady right there. All right, secure that side.
Check the alignment on this frame.
It's holding steady at 90 degrees.
Measurements confirm structural integrity.
Okay, bring it forward. Easy now. Hold it there. Coming in. Looks good. Lower it slightly. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on your side. Holding steady. Looks good. Torque to spec.
Looks solid. The system is ready for the initial pressure test.
Look here, this coupling is secured. Good. The specifications on page 12 confirm the torque settings. It's ready. She's turning. Check the pressure on the starboard side. Holding steady at 200. Smooth rotation, Chief.
Adhesion is holding, but this fixture tolerance is marginal.
Understood. Mark it for adjustment.
Check the rivets on the next section.